товарищи, как у вас настроение? Как у вас дела? Надеюсь, вы счастливы и довольны. А сегодня мы будем смотреть еще один видео о Ералаше. Называется Ciao Bambino. This is Yeralash number 51 and it was released 1985. That is why it's again for 90s kids. Итак, начинаем. Это без субтитров, но я попытаюсь знать, насколько я могу понимать. Did I say it right? Ciao, Bambino! Oh, Roma, that's my name. Made in Italy. Is it in Italy?
Граждане пассажиры, приготовьте билеты для проверки.
He's checking the tickets.
Ваш билет. Ваш билет. Ваши билеты, молодые люди.
Мы есть плохо, понимать по-русски.
Очень плохо.
Sure. They say they don't speak Russian. I mean, they understand Russian very poorly.
А вы откуда сами-то будете?
Сами-то будете Италия.
They are from Italy.
Ну и как у вас там, в Италии? Какие нынче погоды
How's the weather?
стоят?
Нынче теплый.
Очень теплый.
It's warm.
Все жители Балтых речка. Хорошо.
Очень
It seems like they're just pretending that they are Italian.
У вас, небось, и рыбалка имеется.
Рыбалка? Что есть рыбалка? Мы
He's asking if they know how to fish. Ribalka.
есть плохо понимать по-русски.
Очень плохо.
Ну это рыба,
Fish.
червячка. Ам. Ты ее раз и подсек. Рыбалка. Понятно?
Понимать.
Он понимает.
Я есть ловить. Вот
He is
такой
convinced.
итальянский рыба.
Вот такой.
Я есть удивить весь Париж.
In
Париж?
Paris.
Какой Париж?
Париж есть столица Италии.
The conductor is almost convinced, but then he mentioned something about Paris because he's there talking about Italy. And the guy said, yeah, it's from Paris. And the conductor asked, what Paris? And then the young boy said, Paris is the capital of Italy. It's very funny. And that's why, yeah, they were kicked off the bus. What's this place? They have viaduct.
Очень плохо.
Very bad.
Пенек, географию учить надо.
You need to-
Париж есть столица Италии.
Просто перепутал.
Перепутал.
He said you need to study geography. Paris is not in Italy.
Каждый культурный человек обязан знать, что Париж столица Англии.
The other guy said, Paris is not in Italy. Paris is the capital of England. Why did you know it's the capital of America? That's why you kids need to learn geography. I'm also not good in geography, but I know where Russia is, and I know that the capital of Russia is Moscow. Because when I was a kid, during breaks, we used to play world maps. like find this country in the map, this thing. Find the place in the map. So you need to have very sharp eyes to look for the places there. Russia is very easy to find because it's like the biggest part of the world. And then, yeah, we used to ask, where is Moscow? Can you find Moscow? Then you need to check one by one, where is this place? Yeah, so that's how I learned geography. It's very funny that these kids didn't know that Paris is the capital of France. They wanted to deceive the bus conductor so that they can have a free ride. But then they got caught from lying because of Paris. Well, it's super funny. That's all about it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you in the next vlog. Спасибо вам за просмотр. Пока-пока и мир вам.